Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with our drawing of the day. Today I'm doing an animal that I haven't done in a while, and I think the last time I did a turtle, it was like a sea turtle. Well, today I'm doing like a baby turtle that's like kind of like walking on land, so not a sea turtle. So to start our turtle, I am working with Sharpie on paper, but you guys might be working on canvas. But even if you're working on canvas paper, please start with pencil and eraser just in case you make a mistake. I like working with Sharpie just because I feel like it's a little easier for you guys to see at home. So I'm gonna start my baby turtle with his head. So the head, I'm gonna have like the shell kind of like in the middle of the page, and I want his head kind of on the side. So I'm gonna start with like a big kind of like circle, oval kind of shape like this. That's gonna be my turtle's head. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the turtle's eyes and mouth on. So I'm gonna draw two big circles or ovals like this, two round shapes on either side. Those are gonna be our eyes. And I always add my little sparkles to the eyes like that. So I'm gonna put a couple sparkles in each eye just to make them extra cute. And after we have our sparkly eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and make my turtle happy. I always like happy animals, so I always put a smile on my animals. After you have this done, your head is done, unless you want to add a little hat or a little accessory. Maybe you have a princess turtle and it's wearing a tiara. You can do a little extra something on the head if you want. But I'm gonna leave mine here and I'm gonna start on the shell. So to do the shell, I like the shell to be like, his head to be coming out of the shell. So I'm gonna have my shell kind of like on, like towards the middle of the canvas. And I'm gonna start like here on the side. And I'm just gonna kind of like jump around like this. Like that. So just kind of like you start at the top of the head and you just go jump around. And then I'm gonna kind of just like circle back around and back up. So this is his shell. It's kind of like a half circle, but his head's kind of like in the middle here. Now I want to detail out the shell to make it look like a real turtle shell. I always add like a little line here. And then I add like little like pieces of his shell. Like they have little designs and decorations on their backs or on their shells. So I'm just getting a couple of lines in there just to make a couple little decorations here. And then whenever I'm doing the turtle shell pattern, I usually do like just kind of like some like shapes like this. And then I just keep going. So I'll just like start filling it in like this. Doesn't matter if they all line up perfectly or whatever. They're all just kind of like random shapes. And I just fill them all in. It's getting super cute already. Okay, maybe I might have like a couple more. And they're not all lined up perfect, that's fine. But that's what makes it look like a turtle shell. So I've got my turtle shell. And now I'm gonna do my turtle feet. So turtles don't have long legs. They're little teeny tiny legs. So I'm gonna do my first one like this. It's like a little bit, it's like two straight lines, but it's a little bit rounded on the bottom. So that's one leg. And on turtles' legs, I add these like 1, 2, 3 little toes, like that. And then I'm gonna add another one right here. And look at how short they are. They're little short guys. 1, 2, 3 little toes. And now I need, those are the front legs, I need the back legs. So I'm gonna do, here's one back leg, like this. 1, 2, 3, and one more. 1, 2, 3, there. So he's got his 4 legs, each of them have 3 little toes. Now at this point, I feel like I'm done. Now you can draw a background if you want to. You can always add little extra details. You can decide where you want him to be. Maybe he's at the beach, a turtle at the beach. He's having a beach party. Maybe it's a turtle at a birthday party. You put a little party hat. I'm gonna let you guys decide if you want to do details. Now, if you want to make your turtle green, which is what I like to do with turtles, I always think they're green. So, but you can make them different colors if you want, but I'm gonna show you what I usually do with my turtles. So I start pulling like all the greens that I have. So I have like a couple different shades of green. Let me see if I have any, maybe darker ones, maybe even brown or gold. Sometimes I'll like pull like extra colors. Maybe some brown. Okay, so I've got like some turtle kind of colors like this right here. All right, so I usually pick kind of like a brighter green maybe this one, maybe like a brighter green for the face. And then I make the shell sometimes a little darker green colors. So I'm gonna color, usually I color like the face and the feet the same shade of green. So that's why I always start with like the face. So I like to decide what shade I want for the face and the feet first before I start doing the shell. So I've got this kind of like, I don't know, it's like kind of like a blue green, like a minty green. I'm gonna go ahead and do the face, and I'm gonna do the feet. I'm not gonna do the toenails. I don't know what color I'm gonna do the toenails yet. I might do them a shaded green, or I might do something kind of silly and paint its toenails like pink. I don't know yet. All right, so once I've got like the green on there, like on the face and on the feet, I'm gonna move on to the shell. So usually like the edge of the shell, I like to do it like darker shades. Like maybe I'll do like every other rectangle, like a dark green like this. And then maybe I'll even do like maybe brown in between, like this. Or maybe I can even layer up some colors. This one was like too red, so I might like have red here. And again, you guys can make these different colors. So I might do some red, but also might like, this is me blending colors. I might add some green over the top of it to kind of make it look like a muddy green, like that. Okay, that's looking a little more like how I like to do my colors, a little more complicated. Okay, all right, so I've got like a couple different colors on the bottom, and then I also like to do a darker color for in between the little shell pieces. So like I pick one color that's gonna like run in between all these little puzzle pieces. And again, these are not, whatever colors I'm using on the shell are not gonna be the same colors that I used on the skin and the feet, because I want those pieces to kind of stand out, like the skin of the turtle, I want that to stand out from the shell. So I'm using completely different colors. All right, so, but they're all green. They're all like green and earth tones. All right, so there we go. All right, so I've got like my turtles like shell, and now I'm gonna start doing like the turtles like pieces. So these little puzzle pieces. And they don't have to be the same color. Like you can make them like you can. If you want them all to be the same color, that's fine, but you can also do them different colors. So I might do like some of them like this shade of green, and then maybe I'll even do like some of them like a gold color. Like maybe here, let me see, but this might be too, let me see if I have it. Oh, this one might be better. Okay, so maybe even like a gold color, or if I think that's like too like bright, then maybe I'll put some green over the top of that. But again, if you guys want to do like pink and purple turtles, that's fine too. They don't have to be green. I'm gonna let you guys go. Oh, you know, one thing I do like to do too is I like to add sometimes like little pink rosy cheeks like this. Super cute. And if you wanted to, you could always put little pink toenails. I know, I just thought of that, but I don't know like if turtles would paint their toenails, but I just think it would be really cool if you saw a turtle with pink nail polish. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna let you guys finish this any way that you want. Thank you for drawing with me today, and I hope that you will join me again tomorrow.